Hi, everybody. I'm Srinivas again before you. Safety 360. So this time, the topic is hand washing. Hand washing means before eating anything, hand washing. That is one. That doesn't mean always you have to wash the hands. Before eating anything, washing the hands, because this world is having a lot of bad microorganisms and even macroorganisms that could interfere with our health to create diseases. Okay, so how to avoid these diseases at the base level before it attacks us? Perhaps it's a preventive method. So we have to stop infection at the base level by washing the hands. Normally, people will not wash in day-to-day life when they discover something edible. Immediately they go and pick it and put in the mouth. It's normal. But day-to-day, different organisms are coming due to international transport, due to international, commodity exchanges, import and exports. These days, world become shrink. Couple of hours, people come from any country and go to any country. So by this, microorganisms, pathogens, in microorganism there are two types basically. One is good microorganism, and other is disease creating microorganism, which is technically called as pathogens. So these pathogens, when it goes into our stomach, will create a lot of problems, from creating toxins to creating some diseases. They may use our body itself as food. Okay, so these are all happening, and good microorganism other side is very essential for our life itself. And science is telling approximately 50% of our body is composed of different organisms. Imagine, it's amazing news, There are different microorganisms, there are different even macroorganisms associated with our life to run smoothly. For example, there are some bacteria which are very essential for our life itself, which are living in our intestine, which some are creating, nutritious thing to our intestine. Not only intestine, it create the nutritional factor so that it could be transferred to the blood vessels, so that total body can utilize the particular nutrient, for example some vitamins. Then certain organisms could be able to separate certain minerals from the food and deliver to the blood. Great, no? There are certain organisms which, as a fighter, to destroy the disease-causing organisms, the pathogens. There are certain microorganisms which guarding otherwise the intestinal system from other pathogens, that is deadly microorganisms. They will always guard in such a manner to avoid the occupation of the intestinal places by certain microbes, deadly microbes. Well, so we have to appreciate the good microorganism, and we have to destroy the bad microorganisms. The destroying is should be started from the hand itself, because we are, see our fingers, hand, we are touching variety of things, right from handle of a door to soil. Imagine how many organisms we are handling per day. So with that, just making, there are people cleaning in the cloth and touching a sweet and putting in the mouth. See, unknowingly, microorganism will not be visible enough. It will go unknowingly into the system and create a lot of problems. Okay, immediate problem may be dysentery or loose motion or vomiting, and slow problems like creating some diseases after gestation period. And there are eggs of macroorganisms, worms, nematodes, that egg could also stick in the hand while eating without washing. So that will go hatch inside the intestine and convert into worms and stick into the wall of the intestine, suck blood from inside, and when it matures it become very bigger and come through the motion. Okay, so such things are happening. Man knows something. There are many things to be learned inside the intestine itself. It's like a thick rainforest. You know, in thick rainforest, how many living organisms? Same here, our intestine, full of microorganisms. When good microorganism dominates, we'll be very happy and healthy. When bad microorganism damage, illness, diseases, bed rest, medicines, antibiotics, what to tell? So, the cleanliness, hygiene should start from our hands. So, whatever the mouth-watering food before you, just wash the hand and eat it. There are people, for the sake they used to wash. They used to open the pipe, what is that called? Tap. Okay. Then they come and plunge into the food. No, that is not the way of washing the hands. One day, when I was talking with my friends, I told, if you have bad microorganism in your hand, how you will wash? They told they used to open and wash and close. When you again close, the same microorganism will stick in the pure hand, washed hand. Then what will you do? I asked. Then they told, open and wash. Then with the same water, wash the tap also. How best, I don't know. Then again they will tight the tap. Some microbes will always hear unknowingly. So what may be the and one more thing, bacteria and viruses are become very virulent when they have water, when they are touched water, very virulent and strong. So making them more stronger when you add water, washing like this and closing the tap unknowingly, some few, it's not more, few microorganisms will stick and go into our stomach. So what can be done? So one boy he joked. There are many people joked like anything when I was telling this. One person told, opening by hand, wash the hand thoroughly, close it by leg, sir. So such a thing will also happen. Okay, come to the point. Right hand you are going to eat. Left hand, open the tap, wash thoroughly the right hand. Okay, then close the tap with same left hand. Safe. So you clean what is going to be utilized for food. You clean nothing. For with the left hand, what we are going to do? Or safer side, some spoons and forks can do better also. Well, so the thing is, wash before eating. That is very, very important. Don't hurry in washing. Wash thoroughly in the running water, then you eat. That is the safety today. Okay, so preventing is better than cure. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also advise me through your comments, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you again.